Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering and binding. Charge both units above 50% so voltage sag won't interrupt setup. Power the drone first, then the motion controller while watching the LED pattern. Solid green means link success. Once linked, open the DJI app to confirm controller firmware and aircraft firmware match, because mismatched firmware causes erratic inputs. If prompted, follow on-screen prompts to complete calibration. This ensures sticks and gestures map correctly before you take off. Next, calibrate and configure. Perform IMU and compass calibrations on a level surface to prevent drift in flight. The app guides each step, so follow it slowly. Then set motion controller mode and adjust sensitivity and deadband. Lower sensitivity if you want smoother, predictable inputs. Configure RTH altitude, max distance, and geofence limits for safety, because these parameters prevent flyaways and help recovery. Once done, practice in a wide open area with low throttle to learn stick feel. For final steps, perform a per-flight checklist. Attach propellers, confirm GPS with at least 6 satellites, enable obstacle sensing, and keep visual line of sight. Take off gently and hover at 1 to 2 meters to verify stability and control responsiveness. This confirms trims and sensor status. If you encounter drift, immediately land and recalibrate the IMU. If inputs fail or controller seems unresponsive, power cycle, rebind the motion controller, and update firmware. Those 3 fixes solve most connectivity or control issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.